let's go back to the pages. And this time I want you to explore something different on page number 4. Okay, so I want to have this page number 4 only, double click. So that's where I am. Happens to be the same scale. So I showed both page 4 and 5. That's fine. So on here, I want you to explore something else. What if you have multiple images? You want to bring in the same size, same width between images, or same kind of happening in here. How you want to put them all together? You can bring it here. And so now I'm going to deselect, click outside. Okay, go to File and Place. And there are a bunch of different screen captured images. They are all different size, by the way, it doesn't matter. I happens to be having this horizon in the center, but I want to have these 6 pictures that align this left column of my page number 4. So click one of them by holding Control key on your keyboard or Command key on your keyboard if you're a Mac user. Click, 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 click. So I have selected 6 images and hit open. Like my mouse cursor, you may see the first image is shown there, but next to my mouse, it has an open parenthesis number 6 and close parenthesis, right? That means my cursor is now dangling 6 images. And now what I want to do is bringing everything in here automatically. So click the one top left corner, and then when I move my mouse, see the image, even though I move my mouse down, the box is actually made based on the proportion of the original image, okay? So once it doesn't matter, I'm just holding my cursor, my mouse. I didn't let it go, okay? And something that you want to do it is, if you want to make it from top to bottom, 6 of them, like I showed in my example, by holding it, I'm still holding my mouse, right? And then you have to put up arrow on your keyboard. One up arrow made it 2 images. See, the box has been now showing up 2. One more up arrow is adding 1 more. I have 6 images, so I can add more and more. So I have 5 and 6, right? I have 6 of those image box now having showing on my keyboard. I'm still holding my mouse. I didn't let go. What if I add, just by mistakenly, I added 7 and 8. I don't need those 7 and 8. I want to reducing it. By adding the up arrow, I'm adding more and more, right? And by reducing, how you want to do is down arrow. And clicking down arrow on my keyboard, I'm actually reducing. So now I have 3. I need 6. So increasing up arrow, now 5 and 6. What if I have maybe, and so let's do this one, and made it box there. I have 6 of them. They are all equal size, all equal gap between. I'm still holding my mouse. And once I'm done, this is done, and release my cursor. So it actually fills in. Some are smaller, that's why it's not. And you know how to filling in, right? Since all 6 are selected now, right click, fitting, fill frame proportionally, it fills everything within the box. So that now all of the 6 boxes are equal size. Good, right? I want to select them and delete it. What if I don't want to have all 6 vertically? I want to have them all 6, maybe 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, like that. 3 to the row, 2 to the, 3 to the column, 2 to the row, 3 columns, 2 rows, 6 of them. How you want to do it? The same thing. File, Place, selecting all of those 6 screenshot images by holding Control key or Command key if you're a Mac user. Select all 6 of them and hit open. So I still have 6, right? Dangling there. Let's start maybe about this much-ish. Why not? And I'm still holding my mouse. Up arrow make 2 rows. I know. And the right arrow make 2 columns. I need 3 columns. Right arrow, right arrow. Oh, happens to be I made 4 columns. I need to get rid of one of them. Left arrow on my keyboard. So I have now, see, I have 6 columns, 3 columns and 2 rows, which can be 6 images can go in. I want to have it this like a little bit taller than earlier. Release. See, they are all somehow spaced out because the original image is much smaller. I mean, the shorter than the box what I have. Right click, fitting, fill frame proportionally. It fills the box. It didn't change up the proportion of the image, but just by looking at, just click on the center. See, it cut off some of those images. Click outside, cut off some of those images. But I believe this is much taller, so it has a less cutoff. The proportion is still the same. It didn't change the proportion of each of those images, just using the box, filling in less images within the box. That's how you can do it. Okay, I will be back.